Heidi ho, good neighbors, wherever you are. I'm here. Hey, yesterday I put up the video about the new sounds for the Hummer. But each one of them horns came with its own compressor, and I only had one compressor hooked up yesterday. I think I got both of them hooked up working now. I'm no mechanic, so it took forever. And I never played one on TV, so I can't be an expert. But I think they sound better. Here, let me show you. They don't sound exactly the same each time, but I don't care. Sounds good for woodwork. Works in the woods for me. See ya.